Greetings. In this video, we are going to look at how you can make your images more accessible and inclusive on X, also formerly known as Twitter. So when you come to create a post, of course, you put your post here. Then to add an image, you come here where we see this icon of media. You click there. Then go to where your images are saved on your computer. And then you pick an image. Then to make more changes to it, let's say like add alternative text or even to give a warning about what this image is about, you come here to below to add description. And then here you can describe the image. Ensure that your description is really encompasses what the image is about. This is just an example, but as a tip of when creating alternative text, ensure that it's very descriptive of what the image is about, so that anyone with visual impairment using a scan reader can be able to interpret this image. So we have this function here at the right. This is in case your image has any violence, nudity, or sensitivity. You can always tick any of these boxes to ensure that whoever is accessing it receives that prior warning. So all is said and done, you click on save, and then after you click post to post your image. And with this, you will have made your image more inclusive, and even people with any visual impairment can be able to understand it well. Thank you.